How to reset your Gmail password. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open account.google.com on your device in your Chrome. Then add your email in here. You can add email or your phone number. After you've added your email or your phone number, press on next at the bottom. After you press on next at the bottom, it will lead you to this page. Here, press on Forgot Password. After you press on Forgot Password in here, you'll find this kind of screen. As you can see, it has sent number in my phone. You'll find recovery email if you have one, and it will send code in there. You will need to add code in here. After that, at the bottom, click on Change Password. After you press on Change Password, simply add the password you want to add and press on Save Password at the bottom. Press on Change Password again, and you're good to go. This is how to reset your Gmail password. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.